Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're an iPad user, get ready for some exciting news because iPadOS 19 is shaping up to be a transformative update. For the first time, it looks like we're getting Mac-like features and performance on our iPads, which many of us have been eagerly waiting for. This update promises a major step forward in making the iPad feel more like a professional workstation, rather than just a tablet. iPadOS 19. The Mac-like experience we've been waiting. For the release of iPadOS 19 is set to redefine how we use our iPads. Historically, iPadOS has always felt like it was held back by its iPhone roots, lacking the multitasking and flexibility we've come to expect from a desktop OS. While the hardware in iPads has been powerful enough to support pro-level tasks, particularly with models like the M1 and M2 powered iPad Pros, its software has often left us wanting more. However, this new update aims to address that gap and give us the desktop-like experience that many have been asking for. For years, iPad users have voiced their frustration over the limitations of multitasking. Sure, the iPad hardware has always been top-notch, with vibrant displays, seamless integration with the Magic Keyboard, and overall portability. But many have said that it can't replace their MacBook, MacBook Air, or even iMac, because iPadOS has struggled to handle multitasking as efficiently as macOS. That's where iPadOS 19 steps in. Multitasking gets a major overhaul. One of the most exciting features of iPadOS 19 is its improved multitasking capabilities. The new update will bring better window management, allowing users to work more seamlessly between multiple apps. For the first time, iPads will handle multitasking in a way that feels natural and intuitive, rather than frustrating or cumbersome. iPadOS 19 will enhance the experience of floating windows. While Stage Manager introduced the ability to use multiple windows, it never quite felt as smooth as macOS. With iPadOS 19, the floating windows will not only look cleaner, but will also behave more like true desktop applications. This means users can now stack windows on top of each other with a cleaner, more polished interface that's designed to make multitasking feel more integrated into the experience. In addition, one of the major pain points in earlier versions of iPadOS was RAM management. It's expected that iPadOS 19 will allow for more than just 4 windows open at a time, improving productivity for those who need to juggle multiple tasks. And here's the kicker: multiple audio streams from different apps will finally be possible. So, whether you want to play music from Apple Music while watching a YouTube video, or listen to a podcast while working on a document, iPadOS 19 will allow you to do it all at once. The dock gets a makeover. Another major change in iPadOS 19 is the improvement to the dock. Currently, the dock can feel clunky and unintuitive, especially when using Stage Manager. iPadOS 19 will introduce a floating nav bar that makes switching between apps smoother and more efficient. Now, you won't have to struggle with opening apps by accidentally closing or hiding the window you're working on. It'll be a more fluid experience that's easier to navigate, which is especially helpful for power users who rely on multitasking. Visual and UI overhaul. In addition to these productivity improvements, the overall visual experience is getting a major refresh. Leaks suggest that iPadOS 19 will incorporate design elements from Vision OS, making the interface look more dynamic, with floating elements that seem to hover before you. Even though the interface will remain 2D, the new design will give the illusion of depth, making the iPad feel like a next-gen device, even if you're using older hardware. A push for Prolevel Apps. One area where the iPad has always fallen short compared to macOS is in its app ecosystem. While there are some powerful apps like Affinity Photo, Procreate, and Final Cut Pro that take full advantage of the iPad's hardware, many of the apps on the platform are just scaled-up versions of their iPhone counterparts. iPadOS 19 is expected to address this by incentivizing developers to create more professional-grade iPad-optimized applications. This shift will make the iPad even more appealing to those who rely on specific pro-level tools for work, including graphic design, video editing, and productivity apps. A notable gap that could be filled is the absence of an Instagram app specifically designed for the iPad. Currently, iPad users are stuck using the iPhone version, which is less than ideal for those who want to create and edit content directly on the tablet. With iPadOS 19, Apps like Instagram could evolve into fully fledged iPad-optimized tools that allow users to edit photos, create reels, and manage content much more efficiently than before. Improved RAM management and overall performance with the introduction of powerful hardware like the M1 chip in iPads, the biggest bottleneck for performance has been the software. iPadOS 19 aims to tackle this by introducing better RAM management and more efficient use of system resources. This means that apps will run smoother, and multitasking will be more responsive, even when dealing with demanding tasks like video, editing, or gaming. Is iPadOS 19 the iPad's big leap forward? In short, iPadOS 19 seems poised to make the iPad a far more versatile device. It's no longer just a large iPhone. iPadOS 19 brings iPad closer to being a true laptop replacement for many power users. With the new multitasking features, enhanced productivity tools, and the addition of professional apps, iPadOS 19 could make the iPad the go-to device for those who need power and portability. For years, Apple has been hesitant to make the iPad too powerful for fear of cannibalizing its MacBook sales. But with the M-series chips in the latest iPads, they've reached a point where they can truly compete with their MacBook counterparts. Now, iPadOS 19 is set to unlock the full potential of the hardware inside these tablets, making it a much more viable option for people who rely on their devices for work or creative pursuits. Final thoughts. As we look forward to the official release of iPadOS 19, the expectations are high. Apple has been teasing some of the features in recent leaks, but there's still plenty left to be revealed. What we do know is that iPadOS 19 will bring substantial improvements to multitasking, app management, and productivity features. If you've been holding out for a Mac-like experience on the iPad, this update might just be what you've been waiting for.